Hi, welcome to my channel Creative IT Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Hi, today we'll learn viewing multi-pages of Microsoft Word document at the same time. Hello viewer, in this video, I will show you two different view options that we have in Word that both help us to be able to see at least two different parts of our document at the same. First, we go to the View tab and focus on Window Group. And here is the Split option in Window Group. So, when I click this, it's going to split my window view. And now I have a split window at the top half. Can scroll down, can scroll up to exactly the place in the document that. And then the bottom half of my split view, I can stop it where I want to edit my text. At the top split window, I am changing the font color, and bold, italic, underline etc. And on the other hand, I am also working on my last page or wherever you want. And the changings apply my both windows, so don't worry about loose editing of your documents. For remove and deactivate the split window, again I am going to View tab and click on Remove Split. And now I am back to the traditional Microsoft Word version. Let's try the second trick of viewing a Word document at the same time. I'm going to be here in the View tab, but at this time I work on Zoom group. You should have a little button here, with two pages side by side. Now I'm going to click on it, and you can see now I get a view of all three pages now at the same time. This is not a print preview, I am actually stay in edit mode, so I can click here and do some editing wherever I want to do. For another option, you can click here in Zoom button and then choose many pages. And select 1x3 pages, and then click OK. It shows 3 pages at the same time, and again repeat this process, and now I select 2x2 pages, now it shows 4 pages vertically at the same time. There's also option of your page, zoom to view, you can also select it here. So, these are so easy tricks for hard work. Thanks for watching. If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update.